Blunt truths. Unveiling the mysteries of human nature. In this world, most people enjoy being flattered and pleased. They seek words that make them feel comfortable and tend to listen to opinions that align with their own, satisfying their understanding of reality. However, this inclination causes people to lose the opportunity to confront the truth and hampers their ability to achieve real progress in life and work. In reality, many people pursue self-centered views, believing their ideas are the most accurate. They prefer listening to voices that match their stance while disregarding opinions that differ from their own. This choice traps them in a vicious cycle. The more self-assured they become, the harder it is to accept new perspectives and insights, eventually leading to stagnation or regression in knowledge and economic status. This phenomenon not only hinders personal growth but also fosters societal rigidity and stagnation. When people reject blunt truths, they essentially deny themselves the chance to grow. They overlook their potential errors and biases, sometimes deliberately avoiding challenges that could prompt them to question their long-standing worldview and beliefs. This refusal to face the truth can lead people to ignore fundamental issues within society. The poverty and inequality we observe today are direct manifestations of this phenomenon. Such self-deception not only impedes individuals' lives but also hampers overall social progress. When people reject listening to blunt truths, they miss out on a significant opportunity for growth and advancement. Those unwilling to confront their inner darkness often ignore their flaws, leading to a series of issues. This attitude affects not only personal development but also the overall health of society. Courageously facing one's limitations and shortcomings and being willing to listen to voices different from one's own is the key to breaking through self-imposed boundaries. By doing so, we can view our positions and opinions from new angles and make better decisions. Though blunt truths may be difficult to accept, they drive our growth. Those who dare to confront reality often discover new opportunities and forge new paths. In contrast, those who remain in their comfort zones continue to repeat past mistakes and struggle to break through barriers. Therefore, breaking free from this self-reassuring mindset and courageously facing life's challenges are essential for achieving true growth and progress. Accepting blunt truths is not only a challenge to oneself but also a catalyst for societal progress. We need more individuals willing to stand up, voice differing opinions, and expose hidden truths. Only then can we create a fairer, more open, and inclusive society. However, in this process, you may go through stages of discomfort and challenging your own perceptions. This is the cost of breaking through self-imposed limits. It is only through questioning that we can attain true growth and maturity. Thus, we need to maintain an open mindset and boldly embrace life's challenges and diverse perspectives. So, are you willing to step out of your comfort zone, accept truths that make you uncomfortable, and challenge your own viewpoints? Are you willing to examine the beliefs you've held for years and allow new insights and experiences to enrich your worldview?